Lie down on your exercise mat with legs kept close to each other. Position in such a way that your head and shoulder are placed 1 or 2 inches above the ground level, as well as your heels. Place your hand with palms facing downwards near the hip. Now bring yourself up in this position by bending your knees at 90 degrees angle and try to bring your knees near to the chest. Imagine that you want to basically create a V-motion. Stay in this position for about 2 seconds and return to the starting position in a very slow and controlled manner. Continue for at least 8 to 12 times. Make sure you don't impose too much stress on your head during this process. After finishing the exercise, put your feet back on the floor to sit up in a comfortable position to relax. Thanks for watching. Stay lean and visit theabsexercises.com for more abs workouts.